holding on, I wouldn't let you go. 'Cause every time I try, you find a loophole. I've been slamming the door and just leave you cold. When I come back, you've heated up the South Pole. You see my
Happy Friday everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another cleaning video, but I'm going to do something a bit different today. I have done a video, like a very similar video on, I think Monday I posted that, which is also a cleaning video, where I share a weekly cleaning list. So I wanted to share with you today my Freshen Up Friday lists. If you know Mrs Hinch, she has a little book of lists, which I am really loving ever since I got it. So I'm going to do a Freshen Up Friday today. So basically you just put 3 or 4 rooms in a list and you put 3 tasks that you want to do in each room, or you know, you can do less or more depending on what you need to accomplish that day. So I'm going to share with you today how I kind of get on with my list. Hopefully I get it all done. It's supposed to be really hot today. It's supposed to be 34 degrees Celsius and I can already feel, it's only 10 a.m. and I can already feel it's really hot out, like even inside. So I'm going to attempt to do as much as I can. So let me go ahead and show you my list. Okay, here is my Freshen Up Friday for today. So I've got the upstairs bathroom, which I want to do a few things in because it's quite, like, you know, it needs a bit of cleaning. And then I've got bedrooms, which I just want to make the beds, fold some laundry, which I have not yet folded in a few days, and then dust and polish a few of the furniture bits. And then upstairs and downstairs I just want to hoover and mop the areas that are, you know, not carpeted. And then outdoors I really want to clean the back door, it's really bad, and the windows. So that's what I'm planning to do today. So fingers crossed I managed to get all of this done. First thing that I'm going to do is to make our bed. We actually are lacking some decor cushions in here, so I'm actually on the hunt for those. So it's looking quite bare at the moment. If you're new around here, we actually just moved house. So we've only been here for about 2 weeks, I think. I'm going to fluff up the pillows, and then I'm going to use this Febreze fabric spray. It's a refresher for your bedding or any type of fabrics, and it's really lovely. It smells so nice.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing.
Next I'm going to dust and spray the surfaces around here. So I'm going to do the makeup dressing table, I'm going to do the dresser on the side, and the windowsill as well, because it's got quite a bit of dust on it.
And playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have.
I had this huge pile of laundry to put away that's been sitting here in this corner for a few days, which is quite embarrassing, to be honest. So I'm going to start folding this and putting it away on hangers in the wardrobe. We are actually waiting for an IKEA wardrobe to arrive, hopefully in the next week or so. So we're going to be able to organize this a bit better, because this tiny closet is not enough for all of our clothes. So we're kind of struggling at the moment with organizing everything, but hopefully the bigger wardrobe will be here soon. I'm also going to make Victor's bed in his bedroom, and then I'm also going to quickly put away his clean clothes as well. These were in the wash, so now they're all clean and dry. So I'm going to organize them in his drawers a little bit in kind of the Marie Kondo style of folding.
So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody to love.
to the bathroom upstairs. This is the biggest bathroom in the house. I'm going to tackle the toilet first. I'm going to use the dark lime scale remover. This works really well. So I'm just going to apply it to the toilet bowl and leave it for about half an hour, I would say, and then I'm just going to flush. Or you can also kind of scrub with the brush if you feel like it's needed. In the meantime, I'm going to clean the sink and then also the bathtub. So for the sink and the bathtub, I'm using the Flash bathroom spray, which I have found to be really good for shining up things. So the sink and the bathtub, it's going to make them really, really nice and shiny. And then I'm going to use the Minky for bathrooms, and I'm just going to scrub it a bit and then rinse it a tiny bit with water.
You want to, please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, both speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret.
And then I am repeating the process with the Flash spray in the bathtub as well. The Minky works really well for shining up surfaces like this as well. I got mine in Tesco's, I believe, and it's not that expensive, but it really does the job really well. You can also find some dupes for the Minkies in Primark. I actually have a couple of those as well.
Regrets, girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, both speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret.
Next up on my list is hoovering, so I'm going to hoover all of the upstairs. So I'm going to do our bedrooms, the landing, and then I'm also going to do the bathrooms as well, just to kind of get any bits of dust that are on the floor. And I use my Dyson for this. I really love it because it's cordless and it just makes the job so much easier.
I've been holding on, I wouldn't let you go, 'cause every time I try you find a loophole. I've been slamming the door and just leave you cold. When I come back, you've heated up the South Pole. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay. I run away, hit the road in an Mustang, but I keep turning back just like a boomerang. You're like a backseat ghost telling me to stop. No matter what you do, I keep on coming back, just like a boomerang, just like a boomerang, just like a boomerang.
And then in the bathrooms, I'm also going to use the Bona mop, which is brilliant because you don't need a bucket. So it's basically, it's got a container for the spray or like your surface cleaner. You just fill it up and then you go around the room spraying and mopping as you go along. It's so quick and easy. I really love this Bona mop. I'm gonna link it down below for anyone who's interested.
You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay. I'll run away, hit the road and almost there, but I keep turning back just like a boomerang. You're like a backseat ghost telling me to stop. No matter what you do, I keep on coming back, just like a
Okay, I've done quite a bit upstairs, so the bathroom is done. Checking all of this. Bedrooms are done. I've also hoovered and mopped upstairs, so I still need to do the downstairs in a little bit, and I want to clean the outdoor, just the door frame and the windows in the back garden. So I think I'm going to use today my sonic scrubber because there's quite a lot of grime in the corner of the back door, like in the door frame, so I'm gonna give this a go and see how it goes. So downstairs in the kitchen, I'm just going to spray the dining table using my method spray, and I'm going to clean it up with a microfiber cloth, and I'm also going to put back the decor in the center of the table, and I'm going to go all around the downstairs and kind of hoover, and I'm also going to mop in the kitchen and toilet as well.
Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the map? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came for a while, I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now.
Next, I'm going to tackle the back door in the garden and also the windows in here. There were quite a few cobwebs. Haven't had a chance to do this ever since we moved in, so I'm going to tackle all of the cobwebs. I'm just using a tiny brush to get rid of them, and then I'm going to go in with some glass spray. This is the Method one. It's the peppermint scent and it smells really nice. So I'm going to spray this all around the windows, and then I'm using a special glass microfiber cloth to clean these up.
I don't need to go over old and useless words. What you said, what I said, that might have made it worse. We're here again at the same spot where we kissed the first time. I swear my pain's far away, long gone by now. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. We could get back to this, catching up what we missed, or we could just relax.
I'm also going all around the frame just to make sure it's nice and shined, and then I'm also going on the windowsill, which was, as you can see, quite bad, in a really bad state.
We've got a fire in a tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That star's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That star's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight.
And then the back door, as you can see, it's so bad, especially where the doors close. They were quite dirty, so I'm going to get rid of any cobwebs. And then I'm taking the Dyson to just kind of go in a few of these tinier spaces, just to kind of get rid of the bigger pieces of dirt and dust. And then I'm going to spray with my Method spray. This is just a surface spray, and I'm gonna use the sonic scrubber in here because it's quite a hard place to reach, like the corners in here. And I find that the sonic scrubber worked really well, especially when you've got smaller spaces like this where it's really hard to scrub otherwise. So I'm just going to go ahead and scrub this all around, and I'm gonna use a clean cloth just to kind of get rid of all the dirt.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong. I could feel it in my bones. There was something going on, that shade of doubt hanging around that old. 'Cause darling, there is nothing right when all you seem to do is lie. Those days
There is nothing more satisfying than checking things off your to-do list. I find it so motivating. I hope this motivated you as well. Let me know what you have on your to-do list for the day. Are you doing any cleaning, or is it a work day for you? Let me know in the comments below. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!